Okay, so if you spend any time scrolling social media lately, you've probably seen it.
Oh yeah, that's Scandinavian Smiles brush. It's everywhere.
Exactly. It's that sleek U-shaped automatic toothbrush.
And the big claim, the really eye-catching one, is a full mouth clean in just 30 seconds.
Right, 30 seconds.
Yeah.
And that really makes you wonder, can a gadget you just bite down on and press start, can it really replace, normal brushing?
Mm-hmm. That's the big question. Is it actually effective?
And that's what we're diving into today. We want to cut through all that glossy marketing
Yeah, look at the actual evidence, see what users are saying.
and figure out if this is like the next big thing in dental hygiene or maybe just another overhyped gadget.
Let's get into it.
So first off, let's just lay out the company's pitch. What are they actually claiming?
Well, they call it the world's first fully automatic toothbrush. Big word.
Okay, and the specs.
They talk about a 360-degree mouthpiece, which sounds interesting,
Uh-huh.
and a silicone head angled at 45 degrees. They claim that mimics, proper dentist technique.
Right, the base technique, supposedly.
Supposedly. Plus, 3 cleaning modes, soft, powerful, and this sort of spa whitening mode.
And the vibration number, that's always a big one in marketing.
Oh yeah, 48,000 vibrations per minute. Sounds incredibly high-tech.
It does sound impressive. But you mentioned evidence before. What's the reality there?
Well, that's where things get a bit thin. That 48,000 number, it's kind of marketing noise,
Oh, so.
It distracts from what really matters. Does it work? Is there proof?
And is there?
That's the problem. We couldn't find any readily available, independent clinical studies backing up that 30-second full clean claim. It seems largely unverified by third parties.
So no proper scientific audits we can point to.
Not that we could easily access. And, this isn't exactly new. Dental researchers and medical blogs, they've warned about these U-shaped brushes before.
Warned about them. Why?
Because historically, many just haven't been effective at removing plaque. We even found mentions of a specific trial where a U-shaped brush similar to this was tested. Found not effective in removing dental plaque. Basically, it didn't clean well.
So if the fundamental design might be flawed for plaque removal,
then the 48,000 vibrations don't really matter much, do they? It's about the action on the teeth.
Okay, so the science side seems shaky, or at least not publicly proven. What about people who've actually bought it? What's the real-world experience?
Yeah, that's where the skepticism really seems justified. If you look at user reviews, say on Trustpilot or similar sites,
What do you say?
it's not pretty. A lot of consistent complaints pile up.
Like what?
Poor cleaning performance is a big one. People saying their teeth just don't feel clean afterwards.
Okay, that's fundamental.
Right. Then there were reports of the products breaking pretty quickly, durability issues,
Uh-oh.
and quite a few complaints about delivery things arriving super late, or sometimes apparently not at all. Customer service is also mentioned as being weak when problems arise.
So performance, durability, fulfillment, service. Quite a list.
Yeah, it paints a picture. There was this one Reddit comment that kind of summed it up pretty bluntly.
What did it say?
The user basically called it just a bunch of tiny rubber spikes attached to a vibrator.
Ouch. But maybe captures the feeling if it doesn't actually clean.
Exactly. It suggests the feeling is more vibration than actual swabbing or polishing.
So putting it all together, the marketing claims versus the lack of proof and these user reports.
The verdict seems pretty clear, unfortunately. The brush seems to fall significantly short of its own bold marketing.
And the user reports consistently suggest it just doesn't deliver on that core promise of a thorough clean.
Right. Well, the idea, the concept, is interesting maybe for people with dexterity issues. You could see the appeal.
Sure.
But the execution, based on what we're seeing, lacks reliable evidence for actually removing plaque effectively.
So the core takeaway for you, the listener.
For that genuine dentist-level clean feel, you're probably still better off with a proven electric toothbrush from a reputable brand.
Plus flossing, of course.
Definitely. Plus flossing. It seems we really do need to look past the flashy numbers, like vibration counts.
And focus squarely on the clinical outcomes. Does it actually remove plaque? Is there proof?
Precisely.
Yeah.
Which leads us to a final thought for you to chew on.
Okay.
If we need to be critical about new health gadgets, looking past the specs for actual verified results, what's the next piece of tech we should be demanding independent plaque removal data for before we just trust the marketing hype?
Something to think about next time a gadget promises to revolutionize a daily habit.